What's up YouTube, and welcome back. For anybody that hasn't joined us yet, my name is Ozzy and this is Back Again Detailing and Coatings. So for everybody that has joined us, you can tell we are in a different location today. As you can see, we have a gorgeous plane and that we're going to be working on today. I have worked on this in the previous, nothing on a video, but just in the past. What I did is I did all the flight controls. We did a one-step polish and sealant on all those, and then I gave them a little tester of our Undrdog 3-year coating on this front sticker and the propeller here, and he was super blown away with how that performed. So he wants the whole plane done. So we came back. We're going to be doing a full single stage polish on everything, including the flight controls, to pull off the sealant we put onto that, and then we're going to be following it up with a good coating. This is probably going to be a good 2-day job, but we're going to knock it out, and I wanted to put it on here for all y'all to see. If this is something you guys like, please like and subscribe, and we'll try to get more videos like this. But we'll keep the talk to a short, and we'll jump straight into it. Let's go. after that single stage polish, this thing is really shining. We just went ahead and went around the whole thing with a prep wipe, and you guys can just tell that this thing is already shining really good. So definitely excited to see what the coating does to it. We're gonna start up top. We're gonna make our way on top of the wings. Once all the top surfaces are done, we're gonna knock out the bottom of the wings. And then once we're done with all that, we'll move on to the body. And you know, once we get to that point, won't really be using a ladder for too many things. So it'll be really easy from that point on. So we're gonna just keep rolling and get this thing looking the way it should be. So let's do it. that's it. Plane is all wrapped up. It is looking absolutely fantastic. We ended up using about 1.5 bottles on the plane alone. There's just a lot of surface areas between the top, the bottom of the wings, the sides we got underneath. So what I just did off camera is I came back and coated all the struts. I coated his missile setup on here. I coated all of this right here. The whole prop across the front got coated, and then the same on stuff on the side, all those like that. And then finally went ahead and went all the way down the bottom side as well. Got that all looking fantastic. So this thing is good to go. Customers already come out, he's super excited on it. So definitely one heck of a job to be done. Took me 2 days, so definitely worth it. Super pumped. Can't wait to see it out in the sun. And then what we just did, what you guys just saw, is we're working on this a little bit too. After seeing the plane, he wanted me to go ahead and hit all the black things that are on the front, the little plastics on the top of the motor, and then this one right here as well. So went ahead and just did a quick one step on all those, and then just put the coating on them just to really help protect it from anything in the future. But once again, if this is the kind of stuff you guys like, please like and subscribe. It helps us out a ton. I think we're up to 13 or 14 subscribers, and so within 2 months we're slowly starting to get there. So some big jobs coming up. We have multiple vehicles coming up, so please like, subscribe, leave comments on any suggestions that you guys think, and we'll leave it off there. Thank you guys for joining us on this one, and we'll catch you in the next one.